Stop by and take a look at the 2008 Charger. Inject some versatility, comfort, and sophistication into your muscle. The Charger is a powerful sedan that excites at every turn. Peace of mind comes standard with Charger's 5-star government front and side impact crash test rating and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 100,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power passenger seat, dual airbags, air conditioning, power steering, alloy wheels, 4-wheel disc brakes, universal garage door opener, premium sound, AM/FM stereo with CD player and MP3 WMA capability. Come see the car for yourself.